Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be pairing this JBL E-Series headphones to an iPhone. It's actually super simple. Let's do it right now. Okay, so to pair these JBL E-Series headphones with your iPhone, basically we just need to do two simple steps. The first one is we need to make sure the headphones are charged. You have a micro USB charging port right here if you need to charge them up. And once they are charged, we can use the power button. And basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slide this up for 1 second, hold and release. And as you can see, a little white light will come on. You'll also hear a noise inside your headphones if you're wearing them. And now these things are powered on. Okay, at this point, we do need to turn the Bluetooth function on. Now to do that, we're gonna come over here, and as you can see, there's a little Bluetooth button. So on this Bluetooth button, I'm just gonna push and I'm gonna hold it for roughly 3 to 5 seconds and release. Okay, after you hold the Bluetooth button, you should hear a little notification in the ears of the headphones, and then you can come over to your iPhone. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Settings app. So under our Settings app, at the very top there, you're gonna see the Bluetooth options. I'm gonna click on the Bluetooth. And then as you can see, under other devices down there at the bottom, the JBL E45 BT is now showing up under our options for paired devices. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that. Now, unfortunately, this Bluetooth button doesn't light up. It really doesn't give you any indication that it's on, except for that little chime that is in the earphones. So again, just make sure it's showing up down in the other devices section on your iPhone Bluetooth settings. And that's basically it. We are now ready to listen to some music, and these things should be good to go. Friends, I hope that helps. Again, just a really quick little video tutorial. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making decent videos, and subscribe because we got a ton more tutorials that are coming out soon. Thanks for watching.